हेलो माय लवली स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज महिमा। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे ट्रायंगल्स चैप्टर से कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जो कि पीवाईक्यूज में भी हैं। ऊपर दी गई आई बटन पे जाके आप और भी चैप्टर्स के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस विजिट कर सकते हैं। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम आप अपने कॉपी पेन निकाल लो एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। सो आई विल जस्ट शेयर माय स्क्रीन। Okay, so here's the first question. In the given figure, P and Q are points on the sides A, B and AC respectively of a triangle ABC. PQ is parallel to BC and divides the triangle ABC into two parts equal in area. The ratio of PA is to PB. Okay, so you have to find the ratio of PA is to AB. Fine. So पहले तो हम ये लिख लेते हैं कि given क्या है क्वेश्चन में. So it's given that area of triangle APQ equals to area of triangle PQCB, right? So area of triangle APQ is equal to area of this quadrilateral PQCB. So using this, what can we say? So this triangle ABC, which is this bigger triangle ABC, this area of triangle ABC will be twice of area of this smaller triangle of triangle APQ, right? So using this we can have this ratio, right? Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle APQ equals to 2 by 1, right? So अगर हम प्रूव कर दे that these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle APQ are similar, then we can use this theorem that the ratio of area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of ratio of their corresponding sides, right? So are these two triangles similar, triangle ABC and triangle APQ? So let's see. So observe that this angle A is common in triangle APQ and in triangle ABC, right? Also this angle P equals to angle B. Why? Because it's given that PQ is parallel to BC. Also this AB is a transversal, right? So this angle P and angle B forms a pair of corresponding angles, right? So using AA similarity, we can say that these two triangles are similar, right? So we can use this ratio and now अब हमें क्या निकालना है? You have to find the ratio of PA is to AB, right? So in triangle ABC we can pick this side AB and in triangle APQ we will pick AP and इसका हम स्क्वायर कर देंगे. Okay, so this means AB by AP is equal to under root by 1, right? So यहां से PA by AB कितना आ जाएगा? इसका रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे 1 by root 2, right? So the required ratio is 1 by root 2. Okay, so this C part would be the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next question. Now it says that it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR with BC by QR equals to 1 by 4. Then area of triangle PRQ by area of triangle BCA is equal to. Okay, now it's given that these two triangles are similar, right? So जब भी ऐसे रेशियो का क्वेश्चन है, रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्राइंगल्स, वी विल यूज द सेम थ्योरम. With theorem says that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding sides, the square of ratio of their corresponding sides. Fine. So यहाँ पे हमें क्या दिया हुआ है? That area of triangle PRQ by area of triangle BCA, इसका हमें रेशियो निकालना है, राइट? सो यहाँ पे हमें QR और BC ये दोनों साइड्स का रेशियो गिवन है, राइट? सो यहाँ पे हम QR बाय BC लिखेंगे. PRQ से हमने QR पिक किया एंड इन दिस ट्राइंगल BC है, यहाँ से हमने BC ले लिया, इसका हम स्क्वायर कर देंगे, राइट? अब क्यू आर बाय बी सी क्या हो जाएगा, इसी का रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे 4/1 का होल स्क्वायर, सो दिस विल बी 16. सो ए पार्ट विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. फाइन. Now let's move on to the next question. So in the given figure find x. Okay, so यहाँ पे हमें x की वैल्यू निकालनी है. So you have this figure. ठीक है. सो अगेन हम सिमिलैरिटी यूज करेंगे. सो इस ट्राइंगल में हम क्या ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, वी हैव टू ट्राइंगल्स, दिस स्मॉलर ट्राइंगल, ट्राइंगल पी एन के, एंड दिस बिग ट्राइंगल, ट्राइंगल एल एम के, राइट. सो आर दीज टू ट्राइंगल सिमिलर. एक तो हमें ये एंगल दिया हुआ है दैट दिस एंगल एम इज इक्वल टू एंगल एन 46 डिग्रीज, राइट. Also this angle K is common in both the triangles, in triangle PKN and in triangle LKM, right. So using AA similarity we will have these two triangles similar, right. So the ratio of their corresponding sides would be equal, right. So in smaller triangle we will have this PN by LM. Fine. So I have picked PN from this smaller triangle and LM from this larger triangle. The ratio of these two sides would be equal to NK, which is this C NK by this MK, right. अब PN क्या है अपने पास, PN is X and LM is A equals to NK, this is C and MK which is B plus C, right. यहां से x की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सो B plus C, AC upon B plus C. So which is the correct answer? So B part would be the correct answer, right. Now let's move on to the next question. So the next question says in the figure of triangle ABC, the points D and E are on the sides CA CB respectively such that DE is parallel to AB. AD is 2x. Okay, so let's mark AD as 2x. So this is 2x. DC is x plus 3. Okay, so this is x plus 3. BE is 2x minus 1. So this is 2x minus 1. And CE is x. Okay, so this is x. Okay. Now it's given that DE is parallel to AB, right? So we will use this theorem that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides at two distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Fine. So we can say that AD by DC is equal to BE by EC. Fine. AD by DC equals to BE by EC. Fine. So AD कितना है अपने पास 2x, DC कितना है x plus 3, BE is 2x minus 1 by EC है x. फाइन. अब क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके अपने पास यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, 2x स्क्वेयर इक्वल्स टू, यहाँ पे इन दोनों लीनियर फैक्टर्स को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे x प्लस 3 और 2x माइनस 1 को. सो यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा, सो 2x स्क्वेयर प्लस 6x माइनस x माइनस 3, राइट. सो 2x स्क्वेयर कैंसल्स आउट. फाइन. सो दिस बिकम्स 5x इक्वल्स टू 3. So x equals to 3 by 5. So this is the correct answer. The value of x is 3 by 5. Now next question says in the given figure triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Find the value of y plus z. Okay. Now to find the value of y and z, what we will do is we will find the corresponding sides. Okay. Now observe that this side RQ is the corresponding side to QR is BC, right. So we will write QR by BC is equal to PR by AC and this is equal to QP by BA. फाइन. अब क्यू आर बाय बी सी कितना है? दिस इज 3/4. 6/8 इज 3/4. And PR is Y by AC is what? 4/√3 equals to QP. What is QP? QP is 3 and BA is Z. ठीक है. So इस फर्स्ट इक्वालिटी को यूज करके हम y की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं, राइट. सो 4 कैंसल्स आउट. y कितना आ जाएगा? y विल बी 3/√3. सो y इक्वल्स टू 3/√3. तो y तो अपने पास आ गया. नाउ लेट्स फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ z. z के लिए हम ये फर्स्ट ratio and this third ratio we will use. So we will say that 3/4 equals to 3/z. ठीक है. सो यहाँ से 3 कैंसल्स आउट. सो z इक्वल्स टू 4. सो z की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई? 4. सो व्हाट इज y प्लस z? y प्लस z इज 3/√3 प्लस 4. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके. Now let's move on to the next question. In the given triangle PQR, angle QPR is 90 degrees. Okay, so it's already given that this angle is 90 degree. This angle QPR. And PQ is 24 centimeter, which is already labeled here. And QR equals to 26 centimeter. Okay, and in triangle PKR, angle PKR is 90 degrees. Okay, so it's already given that this angle is also 90 degrees. And KR is 8 centimeter. Find PK. Okay, so you have to find this PK. Okay. Now, since this bigger triangle PQR is a right angle triangle, right? So we can use Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, right? So using Pythagoras theorem, what we will have? So ratio of hypotenuse, which is 26 का square, equals to 24 का square plus PR square, right? So PR square is equal to 26 square minus 24 square. Now let's evaluate. So a square minus b square का identity use कर लेते हैं. So यहाँ पे ये आ जाएगा a minus b and a plus b. ठीक है. So this is 2 into 50, which is 100. सो यहाँ से पी आर अपने पास कितना आ गया? पी आर आ गया 10. ओके, सो पी आर इज 10 सेंटीमीटर्स. फाइन, दिस इज 10 सेंटीमीटर्स. नाउ अगेन दिस स्मॉलर ट्राइंगल पी के आर इज अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल, राइट? सो फिर अगेन वी कैन यूज दिस पाइथागोरस थ्योरम टू फाइंड दिस मिसिंग साइन पी के. फाइन, सो यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा? स्क्वायर ऑफ हाइपोटेन्यूज विच इज 100 इक्वल्स टू 8 का स्क्वायर प्लस पी के का स्क्वायर. फाइन, सो पी के का स्क्वायर यहाँ से अपने पास क्या आ जाएगा? दिस विल बी 100 माइनस 64 विच इज 36. सो पी के इक्वल्स टू 6 सेंटीमीटर. फाइन, दिस पी के इज 6 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In a rectangle ABCD, E is a point on AB such that AE is 2/3 of AB. If AB is 6 kilometers and AD is 3 kilometers, then find DE. Okay, so इस क्वेश्चन के लिए हमें एक फिगर ड्रॉ करना होगा. So I already have this triangle. ठीक है, I'll mark its vertices as A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. And it's given that E is the point on AB. So E is a point on this AB such that AE is 2/3 of AB. So it will be more near to 2, 3. So I'll draw this as E. Okay. Okay, so AB is 6 kilometers. Also AD is 3 kilometers. Okay, so we have these two dimensions. Okay, now it's given that AE is 2/3 of AB. So we can say that it's 2/3. AB का कितना है? AB is 6 units, right? So this will be 4 kilometers, right? AE अपने पास कितना आ गया? 4, right? Now we can use Pythagoras theorem in this triangle ADE. because this is 90-degree angle. This is a rectangle, right? So we can use Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. So using Pythagoras theorem, what we will have, DE ka square equals to 3 ka square, which is 9, plus 4 ka square, which is 16. This is equals to 25. So DE equals to 5. So DE equals to 5 kilometers. So we have found DE. Okay, so now let's move on to the next question. In the given figures, find measure of angle X. Okay, so अपने को ये angle निकालना है. This is angle X. Okay, now let's observe these two triangles. This ratio of QR by this YX is 1 by 2, 7 by 14 is 1 by 2, right? So 7 by 14 is 1 by 2, right? Also 4.2 upon 8.4, this is also 1 by 2. ठीक है? And ये जो third side है, this is 3 under root 3 by 6 under root 3. ये भी 1 by 2 आ रहा है. So all these ratios are equal. So we can say 7 by 14 is equals to this, and this is equals to this. Fine. So if ratio of their corresponding sides are equal, so this means these two triangles are similar, right? So we can say triangle PQR is similar to triangle ZYX, right? So PQ के corresponding कौन सी side है? PQ के जो corresponding side है, that is ZY, right? And R जो angle R के corresponding जो angle है, that is X, right? So therefore triangle PQR is similar to triangle ZYX. Okay. Now angle R equals to angle X, right? The corresponding angles of this similar triangles are equal, right? So angle R equals to angle X. Now can we find angle R? We can use angle sum property in this triangle. So 60 degrees plus 70 degrees plus angle R equals to 180, right? So this implies angle R equals to 50 degrees. Fine. So therefore this implies angle X is also 50 degrees. So this angle X is 50 degrees. Hence we have found this angle, this missing angle X. Now next question says, in figure DEFG is a square in a triangle ABC right angle at A. Okay, prove that triangle AGF, which is this smaller triangle, triangle AGF, is similar to triangle DBG. Okay. So यहाँ पे हमें क्या given है, that this is right angle triangle, right? Also observe that this is a square, right? So this angle is 90 degree. So this would mean that this angle GDB is also 90 degrees, right? So I'll write angle GAF is equal to angle GDB. Both are 90 degrees. Fine. Also this angle G equals to angle B, right? Because they form a pair of corresponding angles. Fine. Angle AGF is equal to angle GBD, right? They form a pair of corresponding angles. So using angle-angle similarity, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Fine. So triangle AGF is similar to triangle DBG using AA similarity. Okay. Now next part says triangle AGF is similar to triangle EFC. Okay. So in similar patterns, we can also prove this. So this angle A, which is this 90 degrees angle, this is equal to this angle, which is again 90 degrees, right? Also this angle F is equal to this angle C, They again form a pair of corresponding angles. So using angle similarity, again we can prove that triangle AGF is similar to triangle EFC. Fine. Now next move on to let's move to this next question. Okay. So this question says, in the given figure, if AB is parallel to DC, find the value of X. Okay. Okay, so let's use the similarity of triangles. So यहाँ पे हमारे पास 4 triangles form हो रहे हैं इस quadrilateral में, right? Now observe that this angle form a pair of vertically opposite angles. So these two angles are equal, right? Also, it's given that AB is parallel to DC. So these two angles form a pair of alternate angles. So therefore, these two triangles are similar. So triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Why they are similar? Because angle AOB is equal to angle COD, which is vertically opposite angles. Also, angle OBA is equal to angle ODC, alternate angles. Okay, so this means that these two triangles are similar. Fine. So using similarity of these two triangles, we can say that their corresponding sides are in proportion, right? So I can say that AO by CO equals to BO by DO. Fine. अब AO अपने को कितना गिवन है? This is x by 5 by CO is what? X plus 3. And BO, this is x minus 1 and DO is x minus 2. Now let's cross multiply and find the value of x. ठीक है, so x plus 5 into x minus 2 करेंगे, यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा अपने पास? So this will be x plus 5 into x minus 2 equals to x plus 3 into x minus 1. सो एक्स स्क्वायर दोनों साइड कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो मैं सीधा लीनियर फैक्टर ही लिखती हूँ. सो लीनियर टर्म्स ही लिख रही हूँ मैं. सो 3x माइनस 10 इक्वल्स टू 3x माइनस एक्स. दिस इज 2x माइनस 3. ठीक है, इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी, 2x इधर चला गया, x कितना आ जाएगा? x इक्वल्स टू 10 माइनस 3 विच इज 7. सो वैल्यू ऑफ x इज 7. Fine. Now let's move on to the next question, which says, if the given figure PA by AQ equals to PB by BR. Okay, so PA by AQ equals to PB by BR. Okay, this ratio is equal to 3. Okay, if the area of triangle PQR is 32 centimeter square, then find the area of quadrilateral AQRB. Okay, so we are supposed to find the area of this quadrilateral PAQRB. Okay, now let's use the similarity. अब अपने पास यहाँ पे दो triangles है, this smaller triangle PAB and triangle PQR, right? Now are these two triangles similar? Triangle PAB and triangle PQR. अब angle P is common in both the triangles, right? Also, it's given that PA by AQ. Okay, so this PA plus AQ is 4K. Okay, so we can say that PA by PQ. So we will write PA by PQ here. So this is PA by PQ equals to PB by PR. So PA कितना है? 3K. PQ कितना है? This sum is 4K, right? So this will be 3 by 4. So this ratio is given as 3 by 4. Fine. So we can say that these triangles are similar. Fine, because angle P is common and the ratio of these two, this corresponding sides is equal, which is 3 by 4, right? So triangle PAB is similar to triangle PQR. Fine. Now we can use the ratio of areas of these two triangles because we have proved that these two triangles are similar. So यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे area of triangle PQR by area of triangle PAB. This is 4 by 3 whole square. How? Because यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया था, यहाँ पे हम इसका रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे. Why? Because PQ corresponds to triangle PQR and PA corresponds to triangle PAB. So therefore इसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा 4 by 3 का होल स्क्वायर. तो दिस बिकम्स 16 by 9. फाइन. अब यहाँ से हम PAB का एरिया निकाल सकते हैं. सो ट्राइंगल PAB का हम एरिया निकाल सकते हैं. वाई? बिकॉज ट्राइंगल PQR का हमें एरिया गिवन है विच इज 32. ठीक है. सो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 32 इंटू 9 by 16. सो दिस इज 18 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वेयर. फाइन. अब हमें इस क्वाड्रिलेटरल का एरिया निकालना था, राइट, ऑफ AQRB. अब हम अगर बिगर ट्राइंगल से हम स्मॉलर ट्राइंगल का एरिया सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दे, वी कैन फाइंड दिस रिक्वायर्ड एरिया. फाइन. सो एरिया ऑफ AQRB is equal to 32, which is triangle or this, which is the area of this bigger triangle, 32 minus 18, which is the area of this smaller triangle, centimeter square, equals to 14 centimeter square. So this is the required area. 14 centimeter square is the required area. Yeah, so this is all for this video. So you can practice these questions on your own. Try these questions on your own. So this is all for this video. So yeah, thank you everyone. Bye bye.